Yes, yes. Yeah. Mukiriega. Twana. Twagai. How are you? How are you doing? So this is your teacher Martin, and I'm always glad to be teaching you Kikuyu in this channel, and among other things, yeah, professional, I'm a computer scientist. Other times I'm a Sunday school teacher. Other time I'm a Kikuyu teacher. So I'm grateful to do all this. Yes, yes. So, Kikuyu is a good language to learn, and you always meet people speaking in Kikuyu like me. Yes, so and it's good when I'm teaching you, and there are so many ways of learning Kikuyu. And when you learn Kikuyu, you have a lot of people that you can speak with, because we Kikuyus are found anywhere in the world as long as there is money. Okay? Yes, and that's a good thing. But okay, let me not talk about that. But so I'm glad to have you here, and I appreciate all those who support me through subscription to the personal classes. I'm grateful for that, and may God richly bless you. I'm always happy, so happy to teach you and to assist you through in learning your Kikuyu, and also in sharing the premium materials that I customize specifically for those who subscribe to the premium content, that is the paid content. Unfortunately, sometimes I am not able to record as many free videos as possible, but if you are really serious in learning Kikuyu, yeah, you can find me on the other side, and you have great time together as I assist you in learning Koaria Gĩkũyũ. Yes, and not just about talking Kikuyu, but also writing and also doing what else? Reading. Yeah, it's good for you to learn a language in all the 3 dimensions. Yes, there's this song karibu kanaibwa aje. Ati tene wa tene arata gũtiarĩ mbeca. Tene wa tene arata gũtiarĩ mbeca. That's to say, long time ago, my friends, there was no money. Mbũri ciacenjanagio na mũtumia. Mbũri ciacenjanagio na mũtumia. That's to say that goats were given in exchange to wives. Nĩciake, what are they for? That is money. What is it for? Nĩciake ciokire gũthũkia thĩ. What are they for? They came to destroy the earth. Nĩciake ciokire gũthũkia thĩ. Mbeca ciokire na mũndũ gwĩtwo Kaisarĩ. Mbeca ciokire na mũndũ gwĩtwo Kaisarĩ. Nĩciake ciokire gũthũkia thĩ. Nĩciake ciokire gũthũkia thĩ. And that's one of, it's kind of a folk song now, because it's old. Okay, so it's a good song to remind you about Kikuyus and money. But the writer of the song said that money came actually to destroy a relationship, to destroy the world, and somehow it's very true. And actually, I don't think you can transact without money. Yeah, all over the world. No ginya okoro wina mbeca. That's to say, you must have money to transact in all country. Yes. Ona gũcenjania indo is barter trade. Na mbeca, beer, what else? Ciringi, kamushahara, kariboti. Wakati unasikia hiyo maneno yote ikitumika, they all refer to money in Kikuyu language, okay? Yeah, and the best way to learn any language is to learn how it's created. That is the innermost component. And I hope that you have attended you have checked my introduction to Kikuyu, whereby you learn the Kikuyu vowels, okay, which are quite similar to what we have in other languages like Swahili, English, yeah, actually, but with an exception of two, which are A, O. Do you remember them? The Kikuyu vowels, they were A, E, I, O, U, E, O. A, E, I, O, U, E, O. Brother Jokera, do you want me to repeat again? It is A, E, I, O, U, E, O. And for more details, kindly go and check that lesson. Yes. I'm liking all those who are supporting me by viewing, by subscribing. Yes. Yes. Actually, that's what makes us create this free content. Okay. Yeah, it helps us a lot. And sometimes I just share the content for free. But I do appreciate when you subscribe to this content because that's the way you are kind of encouraging me. Yes, 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 yes. You know, in this, that's the people to push us to do these things. Push me, push me, push me. Request the content. I'm there to share with you. If you have any questions, actually, you're always free to ask. Okay. Yeah, you can already ask on the comment section. You can send them on my email. You can WhatsApp. Yes, and as I said, if you need any personal classes, you can always check on me via the number. Yeah, and after you have learned the A, E, I, O, U, E, O, that is the vowels, the next point is always to learn the consonants, okay? And the consonants are quite many. But after learning the consonant, now you start making simple sound, like when you take a sound like fa, you try to do fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo. And more to that, you also need to learn a lot of vocabulary. Kikuyu has a lot of vocabulary, and that is names of places, names of items, a lot of vocabulary, but those you can learn them as you go, okay? Yeah, and you can always go to bible.com and check the Kikuyu Bible there, try and understand some words, try and read some words after you have followed my content here, and I know that you learn Kikuyu quite fast. Not difficult, not difficult, it's not difficult, easy. The only thing that maybe may challenge you is the intonation, okay? Like the way you say iria, 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 that is milk. But when you say iria, it changes to be C. Okay, you see, it's all about the intonation. Yeah. And what else? The other thing that you learn is all about the numbering system. The other things that you learn is the body parts. The other things that you learn are all the different aspects of all the languages that we meet. Yeah, and I've shared a lot of content actually, and I'm promising to continue creating more content for you. And just as I said, if you have any questions, you are always free to ask so that we can have content that assists you. This content is yours. It's from me, but it is yours. So I appreciate your good. Thank you for those who are liking. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm just about to add this live film. Yes, so if you have any question, you can ask now or you can ask later, and I will appreciate. Yes, so I'm always saying that I'm thankful, I'm grateful for you who have subscribed, I'm grateful for you who is subscribing, I'm thankful for you who is sharing my content, I'm thankful for you because you are supporting me and helping me to utilize my time in the best way. So for now, it's a goodbye, but you're always welcome to chat with me. So bye-bye for now. Thank you. Enjoy your evening if you are in Kenya.